right rice. The discussion is, what is the difference between right rice and white rice? Miracle doesn't know. Carly left me with her camera. This is Sophia. That's Jordan. Jordan, say hi. He's not paying attention. It's fine. He's hard at work over there. But I'm having a ball. It's about 8:15. It's about steady, not too busy, just steady. And that's all I have for y'all right now. Yet again, I'm the only person vlogging with this camera, but it's fine. I'm here. Say hey to Amelia. Amelia. Say hi to the vlog. She's hard at work over there. Don't mind her. But again, still steady. Still steady. What's going on here? People are getting shockwaved and needled. And people are up at the front. But I'm back here hard at work, by the way. May not seem like it because I'm with this camera, but it's okay. It's just for Carl. Just the thing that I wasn't wild enough. But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? I can't. We are very unserious, but we have some downtime right now, so we are vlogging for Miss Carly. Woohoo! Finally, it's someone other than me. Yes. Love y'all. Calcine's favorites.
We are. Always and forever. Oh my god. This is Sophia. Say hi, Sophia.
Hi.
Thomas, get in the vlog. We got some downtime. Thomas is just, doing some documentation.
It's a chill rainy Tuesday.
Yeah, we're just hanging out, waiting for the peeps. Eddie's over there. Eddie, say hi to the vlog. You know what? Oh, we got a timer going off. Tanisha?
I'm putting on my gloves because I'm about to take these needles out and kill it like I always do.
Hard at work. Hard at work as always. Go off, Tanisha. All right, y'all. We'll check in soon when it's, crazy.
Oh, I wasn't ready. Hi. There's Carly. She's walking away now. Oh, and here's Tanisha.
The baddest.
Excuse me.
The baddest.
Calcine's finest.
Right.
I'm not in my element right now because this is work. But if I was outside work, watch out. Watch out. Sophia, and Sophia. I'm Sophia, and this is Sophia.
And I'm Sophia number 2.
2.0.
And say hello to Nicole. I'm actually currently sitting on the chair, which spins quite great.
Very smooth.
So I think I'm just gonna roll with it. Bye.
You got the joke.
Just so y'all know, we get jokes like that on a regular basis. A regular basis. And here's Miracle. She just finished checking somebody out. Miracle, say hello.
So beautiful. So
Hi. Well, guys, so the day in the life of a front desk girl. Oh, hi. Hi, Dr. Warren. He speaks Spanish often. He's not. He's not Spanish.
Our bilingual king.
Bilingual king. That's actually good. I like it. Are we having breakfast, Miracle? Mm-hmm. What are we having?
Granola bar.
Breakfast of champions. I, for one, had avocado toast.
Very boring.
With egg.
I had overnight oats.
Did you eat
What'd you
breakfast?
get for breakfast?
Yeah, of course I did.
What'd you eat?
Coffee.
Oh, she runs on
True
that.
champions.
Hey man, I'm broke
So,
right
day in
now,
the life of the Calcine Chiropractic front desk girls. We pull charts. We stamp them.
Let's prop it up.
Oh, what can we prop it up on? What can we prop it up on? Give me something. Terrible ankles.
You guys, no way.
Hey.
Another day break.
Here, do you want to hop in?
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, say hello.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Amelia.
Again.
Slay Amelia. Going to Cali. I'm Amelia.
She works on the FSP floor. She's pretty awesome. Number 1.
That's right.
Oh. It's the double chin for me. Please edit that out.
Girl, why they can't give me Botox on the damn?
You can't give us Botox on camera? Thanks, Carly.
hook that up.
Say what's your favorite thing about working at Coxstein?
My favorite thing about working here, honestly, Miracle. Sitting next to her is pretty fun. We talk all the day. But then the chiropractic assistants, we just love to giggle. Jokes all day.
It's a fun time.
What about you?
Dr. Brady's trying to photobomb us.
Come on in here. Come on in here, Dr. Brady.
What up?
Dr. Brady, I also like him. He's cool. Keep him.
Cool list.
I'd say my favorite thing are the patients. I have great connections with a lot of patients. I have a lot of grandpas and grandmas here. And Sophia, of course. She makes it exciting and fun and crazy.
She doesn't like my dancing or my
I don't
singing.
like her
She thinks I'm
dancing or
cringy.
She is cringy because she's
It's because I'm. What's my generation called?
Gen X. No, millennial. Yeah, got it.
Would you like to come say hi to our fans?
What's that?
Would you like to come say hi to our fans?
Oh, all your fans?
Yeah, all of
Your
them.
fans, the company.
They're our fans.
Hola, buenos días mis amigos. Tienes un buen día. Gracias por, ¿cómo se dice? How do you say support?
Support.
Amor,
Ayuda.
amor para
Dice
nuestro.
ayuda.
Sí, para ayuda.
Yeah, help.
Help, para ayuda nuestro. Gracias muchísimo. Adiós.
Subtitles, please.
It's giving
So you're gonna head up
Toy
for the
Story
massage, right?
Toy Story
Okay, so I
3,
can walk you up there, okay?
Buzz Lightyear.
Me debo de haber estrellado y se me ha borrado la memoria.
Why are you smiling?
Just have a good time.
Are you?
Yeah.
Me too, because my fans are asking for it.
Are they?
They're asking for it.
You going live?
I mean, no. Because if I live streamed, that would, I don't know. Hey, back again. Sorry, we're filming. The lovely doctors here at Coxstein Chiropractic love to treat us to lunch, so today is kava. I'm getting a grain bowl today. Miracle is getting another grain bowl as well. Dr. Brady, what are you getting for lunch? Tell us.
Kava.
Well, yeah, but what?
Oh, the greens and grain bowl
The greens and grain.
with harissa. Harissa. How do you say it?
Honey harissa.
Honey harissa chicken. Look at you, being super, super green.
Top of yourself.
I'm getting a grain bowl. What are you having for lunch today? Kava. We've established that.
Oh. Some kava.
I've established that, okay?
I didn't know because I'm late to the vlog. I didn't even know the camera was still up here.
I restarted it to talk about lunch, because
Great.
why not? Right rice. The discussion is, what is the difference between right rice and white rice? Miracle doesn't know. So he's gonna pay on Thursday.
Well, I want to figure that out because.
I was actually gonna go
what
with
they-
Tom Friday, but I wasn't sure.
What they won't pay for is, I gotta see what health credits we use. That's what I'm trying to figure out.